Hey guys! Today I am going to be doing a slime collection video. I actually just got one right now because I tried to make one. There, so I paused it and then I accidentally hit the wrong button to unpause it. So now I got to start all over. So it's going to be squishy collection and slime collection. So I'm going to go get my squishy real quick.
What?
So, got it? And here we go. So I'm gonna do my squishies first. So I only have one squishy right now, but I'm gonna do a squishy package video sometime when I get a squishy package. So I have this panda bun. It's been defected because it got stuck on a candy cane. So it's really squishy. So it's really slow rising. Got it for Valentine's Day. You know how white squishies get dirty real easily. That's what I learned. My hair looks terrible. So, yeah. There we go. Still looks bad. Don't care. Looks like I have bunny ears. So yeah, so here's my squishy. Let's see how long it takes for it to get up. So I'm going to squish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Took 5 seconds. So I'm going to go get my sister's squishy. I'm back and my sister's going to go find it because I couldn't find it. Took me like, don't know how long to find it, but. So, yeah. So this is mine. I like to squeeze the eyes and the ears. Like that. I like to poke it. Like I'm poking slime. So we're going to have a moment that you will be able to see. 1 second, I'm gonna grab some. Okay, got it as much as I can, and there my squishy is. Sorry if there's like glitter and that on the table because this table's old. And so, you take it.
Jeez, Mom.
What?
Hustle it up.
You didn't get your have your bits. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my next slime. Well, I'm gonna go into a slime.
Dad, can you get that balloon?
Okay, so this is my rubber band spring slime.
Whoa, this is really
So I'm gonna take off my
fast coming
sweatshirt.
Whoa. Watch how fast it is.
So now I'm back. I'm gonna get out this slime.
Daddy, hold this
This
balloon.
one has lotion. I can't figure out what to call it. Should I call it rubber band slime, rubber band spring slime, or lotion slime? Because I added
Just
lotion.
like here.
That's as far as it goes straight.
Okay.
So yeah.
The double front snap.
See, there's like little rubber bands. Stretch it.
Wait.
See those?
Ha.
Oh.
Ha.
Or I could call it loom slime, rainbow loom. Because I did.
Oh, crap.
So this is really stretchy. Like, sorry, it's a little bit
Just
sticky.
trying to get.
Because so I made this one out of glue, lotion,
What are you doing?
and
Are you playing a game?
I'll tell you my slime activator is water and Stafilo liquid starch. That's what I use. It's my slime activator. It's all that I'm
Sorry.
and another activator that I use
It's just a... Whoa!
is eye contact slime solution. That's only when I make my fluffy slime. Or, and I'll tell you what other my friend gave me the other slime that I'm going to show you. So this one I really like. So I'm going to do a quiet moment so you guys can hear. Okay, be quiet, Jillian.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get the balloon.
Don't clap. Okay, and now we're going to be quiet. Sorry if you hear my dad's phone. Shh. One sec, I'm going to get the balloon for him. So, sorry. I had the camera on the whole time, didn't I? So, be quiet. So here goes our quiet.
Oh, I wasn't. Sorry.
Even Dad wants you to be quiet.
Yeah, dude, you're being crazy.
I'm trying to get my balloon.
Probably
You don't
shouldn't
get
cut
that.
it on.
We don't get how hard I'm trying to be quiet, but how hard I'm trying to keep the balloon off the ceiling. You guys don't know how hard it is.
Oh, I have one more squishy. Jillian, will you bring that to me?
Sorry. Can I use it when you're not using it? Are you using it?
Yes, I will in a sec.
Well, that's why you're not using it, so.
I know. After I'm done using it, you can use it.
Oh.
So, when I squish this, it's supposed to be crunchy, but I didn't add enough rubber bands, which is okay because I just like the feeling. Don't, because then it cuts a hole in it, and then I have to get a brand new bag. So we're going to take another quiet moment. Oh, sorry. My dad's phone on.
Why do you think it's so...
My dad thinks it's dumb.
Oh, it is.
Or are you playing your baseball game? Hey, you wanted to play with it. So you can't say that. Time I make it, you want to help make it. So don't say that. So here it goes. I don't even do it right, so don't judge. Okay, I'm done playing with the slime, so I only have 15 minutes to do a video. So that's my...
So play with the piggy.
And then, okay, my pig is not really a squishy. It's a splat ball, and I'm sure you have a lot of these around your house. And it's really dirty because you know how it's really sticky.
Things on the floor stick to it.
So it like squishes, there's water in it, and it goes.
I think they know if they have one that there's water in it.
So we've cut one.
It doesn't splat very well.
because it's not sticky.
I know. No, it's not
You want
as
me to go
sticky.
get water on it while I show off the slime?
Yeah, sure. No. You go put water.
Okay. Okay. So here it goes. Okay.
The baby. I want to be like a baby. Warm.
Here we
Warm
go.
apple juice. Warm apple juice.
So just like kind of, I'm gonna scoot back.
No, I don't get
This is gonna take.
free.
Okay. So I just did a full thing without it being said. Okay. So now I gotta do it all over again. Cause I'm a dum dum. Whoa! That one was good. So I'm gonna do it off of the ceiling and have it come down on the table. Jillian, stop! Sorry, ruining. That's what I was trying to catch. Here he goes. Who's gonna hit my camera? Perfect place for it to be. Okay, one more hard one. So,
Why not on the ceiling?
No.
That was something off of it.
I bet you it always leaks water, but
Throwy.
heads up. One more hard one.
No, one more hard one. 8 more hard.
Ooh. It looks like it leaks water, but it doesn't it?
My friend to make the table.
So watch them. It might look like it leaks. See, doesn't it look like that? Just like totally leaked. Okay, onto my slime. Now, my last thing out of my collection of slime is this. So, this is my slime. It's a glitter. Don't know what to call this one. Easter, maybe? Easter, because it looks like Easter eggs and maybe, I don't know. Easter? No, I gotta scooch. There we go. So this one is like thicker and not as stretchy. And it looks like Easter eggs. So I might call this Easter slime. Even though it's not Easter yet. Not even close. So this one is good for poking noises. So here. Quiet moment.
What you doing, Yui?
Shredding something.
Ava put her remote under her jacket hood in her room.
Because she was not being good.
I was.
No, you weren't getting dressed. And I had to hide the remote from you or else you would turn the TV back
I
on.
wouldn't.
I don't care.
And I wasn't watching TV. I was also getting dressed.
No, you weren't.
And she hid it. I looked in every zipper in my backpack because
Because you heard the zipper.
the zipper of your coat, it comes off. Okay. Samba.
So, yeah, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So, bye.